Hey everyone, I'm Nate, and this is a very informal intro to our video. I am doing this after filming the entire video of this drone. So many times throughout this video you hear me say that this has a GPS. I even say the box has a GPS. It says on it. But I am looking now, and there is no indication of it having a GPS. I think maybe the name Phantom threw me off. So know throughout the video that I'm a human being and I made a mistake, but if you want to, just let me have it in the comments.
Let them have it.
Just call me every
Mr. Dum Dum.
family-friendly name under the sun and we'll leave it. But anyway, this does not have a GPS as we continue with the video, and it's about $125, not the $100 mark that I thought. So
what a loser.
I don't know I must be tired. I'm sorry guys. But let's get on with the video and have some fun. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This is WJ. They're fine. This is WJ. WJ is a member of our airfield. He's one of our favorite people up here. We always have fun when we fly together. And we thought maybe it'd be fun if we all flew this Phantom together. This is made by Cheerson. They call it the Phantom, which is kind of, you know, DJI Phantom. So I don't know how long they'll be able to get away with that name. But you can see it here. We had to put the camera on, the legs on, and the props because it fit in this tiny box, which WJ was asking if it fit in there, and it does when it's all taken apart. So about $100. Believe it or not, this is a GPS drone, and it has its own 5.8 gigahertz FPV signal here on the transmitter. So you got the video right on the there. Okay,
that's nice.
Yeah, you can use your goggles too if you have 5.8 gigahertz FPV goggles, like race drone goggles. If you have any, you can use those on this drone, or you can use that right there.
Okay.
And it comes with all kinds of stuff. So it has a camera that you can control up and down. It comes with its own 2 gigabyte micro SD card. We have screws, USB card converter.
With an SD card.
Okay, you got to try these on for me, okay?
Can you control the camera in flight?
Yes, you can.
Wow, that's nice.
Come with sunglasses.
I like these too. Wow, yeah.
Those are yours.
They're nice.
We have a charger. You do need a converter, so it comes with European.
Okay.
But we got these little converters, right?
Okay.
Just put that on there for $1. Got it converted.
Okay.
We have prop guards. So if you're a newer drone pilot, you might want to put these on. What they do, they basically go right there.
Oh, okay.
All right, and then you got prop guards. So if you're a newer pilot, put those on. And then it has a battery. It is a 1300 milliamp, 7.4 volt. That's 2 cells, little LiPo battery.
Okay.
So everything comes with this that you need to get it in the air. 2 little screwdrivers to help you get all the props installed and stuff.
Okay.
So I say we fly this, and after we're done flying it, you got yourself a Phantom.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sounds like a deal to me.
Okay. So let's do a video. We're here with WJ still flying this thing, and we're going to fly it together. He's actually going to take the controls at first. Hopefully we've got a nice satellite lock. We'll find out when we get it in the air. So I think if we just press auto takeoff, that should go. Maybe not. So let's pull the motors, let's pull both sticks down and to the corner. At the same time, like this. Watch this. Down and out. Oh,
there we go.
Okay.
So we just didn't bind it.
No,
I had to go up and down.
Throttle down, up, down to bind it. Okay, let's see.
Whoopsies.
The satellites, the GPS doesn't seem to be holding it in place, at least yet. We're fighting the wind, so although it has a GPS, it is fighting the wind a little bit.
On?
It is on, yeah. Okay, let's go to the high rates so we can fight the wind a little better. And I'm going to fly up some. Nope, it's wanting to act like it wants to land. Definitely is making itself land there. I don't know why. So let's try auto takeoff again. That's strange. Trying to start the motors here. Let's just see if it'll let us start the motors. Yes.
Record.
Okay, so here we go. Recording. Oh, there, we have an indicator now.
Now we have an indicator.
So I think everything's working a little better now. WJ, I want to let you give it a shot, okay?
Oh, man. What did you do to start it?
Okay, so pull both sticks down into the corners. There you go. Good. And now you can give it throttle, or you can push that auto takeoff button, whatever you want. And you're probably going to have to fight some wind, so push left a lot.
Whoa.
That's
I'm
okay.
trying to
That's
cut
okay.
it.
That's okay.
How you throttle it back? You fly. Let me look at you.
Okay.
Try to fly
Okay.
without the GPS. Let me see what you do.
Okay. So I'm back at the controls now. Pull those sticks down and out. And let's take off. So I'm having to push left a lot to fight that wind. Okay. You see, I'm pushing left here.
It's just sitting there.
Right.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
So the throttle I don't have to worry about.
Now put the GPS on. See what happens.
Well,
Can't do it now.
no. You know, I don't think this has a GPS.
It's not acting like it.
No, I mean, there's nothing to indicate. It says it has home. It says GPS on the box,
Well,
but
it did come home and land a while ago.
yeah, let's do this. Let's press home and see what it does. It's not doing anything.
It's good, baby. It's good.
You know, I don't
Press and
think
hold
that's
home.
me doing that.
Oh,
That's
you're
I'm
doing it?
flying
Oh,
it.
it's not doing it.
I'll hold it.
hold.
Yeah, I'll hold it. Okay, there's a lot going on here. Let's fly up a little higher and just see what it does when I hold the home button. There, I held it. And it's going away. So doesn't seem. I don't think this has a GPS. I think it says it
I
does.
think they're lying.
I think they're lying
Turn
too.
the front of it to you. The front of it. Turn the front to you.
Okay, fronts to me,
Now push home.
and now I'll push home. I don't think it's going to get us there, but I'll do it. Okay, it's going to the corner. Yeah. Okay, I got the controls again.
You gotta fly it.
So I'm in the highest rate. Our 5.8 gigahertz video looks pretty good. I'll go a little higher. See the video feed there? It looks pretty good.
Yeah, you can see the field and everything.
Right.
Where you are. Yeah. I like that.
Yeah.
How's the altitude hold working?
Altitude hold works great. The whole time I'm not touching the throttle, but I'm having to fight that wind that whole time. So really, this is something you wouldn't want to fly in the wind.
Fly in the calm.
Right. So I know this doesn't have a GPS, but it's doing okay for what it is. What do you think about it, WJ?
Well, like you said, for what it is, you know, I thought about when you said what that price was, I thought, you know, something.
Yeah,
For $100.
I was saying,
That's
I
right.
can't believe we do all that for $100. I paid all that much for mine.
yeah. Okay, so we can actually control the camera up and down. Watch this. I'm going to push up on this little knob, and the camera's facing up more. Now if I pull down on that, watch. Actually, that's opposite. So now we're looking up, and this way makes it look down at the grass. So look at my controller here. See, the camera's looking at the grass.
Oh, yes.
So if I pull back on this,
yeah, you can see it now.
we're looking at the sky. You see that?
Right,
see that? We're controlling it up and down.
Okay.
All right, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's nice. That is cool.
Abby, what do you think?
You gotta.
I haven't got to fly it yet.
You want to fly it?
Yeah.
It's a struggle in the wind, but you can do it.
Well, you haven't tried rates, so why don't you put it in a higher rate?
That.
That
Okay,
might
we're
help.
in the higher rate now, so we can actually fight the wind pretty good.
There you
WJ, before the battery dies, do you want to give it a shot?
No,
You think you can handle the wind?
I'll wait till it accommodate.
Okay.
You have it out here.
That's okay. It's a good move. Abby, I'm just going to pass the controls to you in midair.
Okay.
Okay, and it's in the higher rates, so you got to fight the wind. All right, you got it.
Come back.
She's got it. She's got it. You're facing the wrong way, I think, Abby.
No, I'm coming toward it.
Okay. You got it.
Had to get orientation down for a second.
So it does bother me the fact that this says it has a GPS and it clearly does not. But if it didn't say it had a GPS, I think I'd be impressed because we've got a good sized drone, nice bright lights, decent camera that does work. 5.8 gigahertz is always very nice. You can use your own goggles on it.
The signal is great, but the screen that I'm looking at is kind of washed out.
Yeah, it's a little bright.
Yeah, I don't think there's any settings to
No.
make the screen darker. It's just like the contrast on the screen is pretty terrible. But I mean, you can see it. It'd be better off in the evening.
Yeah.
If you was over the hole looking for a plane, could you see anything?
Well, show
Over
what
the hole
you.
looking for a plane, could you see anything?
See how it's kind of bright?
When I was flying a little lower, it wasn't quite so bright. What do you think, WJ?
There's
You
Death
sit over the
Valley.
field right now.
Yeah.
There she go.
See?
Oh yeah, you can't tell.
Signal.
Static.
Can't tell now.
No. So you don't have a drone that has a video signal like this, do you?
I don't have, my drone don't have anything. Just a drone.
Yeah. Okay. Well.
Now it has a equipped for a camera, but I don't have a camera for it.
Well, is yours called the Blade 350 QX?
Blade 350.
Yep. Okay.
It's equipped for camera.
Okay. I got you.
Yeah.
Well, you know, does flying something in the wind like this kind of scare you, or you would probably wait for a calmer day, like you said?
I've flown in the wind, but it don't. I'm used to mine.
Right.
And see, this is the first time I don't, you know, on that one. You know, so I know what to expect on mine, but it don't have that speed that this. You know, it don't have. They made two of those. The first one I got, it had the speed. The second one I got don't have the speed.
Right.
So I don't know. See, something happened to my. Well, I plugged the battery back and burnt the first one out, and they gave me a good deal, and I got another one. Well, the next one came back didn't have the speed.
Huh.
So it's just slow.
Okay.
It's just slow. That's all it is.
Well, this one can do the wind. It's very windy right now.
You can do the wind, but you definitely are fighting it.
You're fighting it for sure.
This wind right here wouldn't hurt mine.
Yeah, right.
This wind right here won't hurt mine.
Yours will just hover right in place because it has a GPS.
The main selling point of this is the built-in screen on the transmitter, and you could connect this if you had goggles for 5.8 gigahertz, which is nice. The range isn't so great on it.
No.
We head out just slightly over Death Valley.
Edge of the field there, and we lose it.
If mine had that camera and you could see it, I'd be tickled that one.
Yeah.
But my camera costs a bunch for that one I got.
Yeah. Well, this is made by Cheerson. They're calling it the Phantom. It does say GPS on the box, but it definitely does not have one. There's no indication in the instructions or anything that it has one, so I'm not surprised.
What was that last Cheerson drone that you called like the Spark Killer?
Yeah, the Cheerson Cheer. I love that one.
That's a good one.
It's double the price of this.
This is full forward. And
oh, and there's the battery. So hit video, hit the video button, and there it should go off the top.
Hopefully that's safe.
Okay.
When the battery go down, it just come down. Huh?
I guess so.
So with that time, the GPS didn't land it.
No.
Oh my gosh. You don't know what it's going to do. A while ago, for some reason, the GPS landed it.
Well, you want to stand out here with me for a second?
Yeah, I'll watch it.
Okay.
Oh, you mean out there?
Yeah, come on out. It's windy. I know you guys can hear that wind. So it does say GPS on the box, and I think on the website it said GPS. Other than that, the fact that it doesn't have one, I'm not too disappointed because everything that's here is actually pretty good quality. We have this monitor built in with the antenna up here, and it had okay range. This would be a good beginner FPV setup, and that's exactly what we're doing for WJ here. So I know you have a
350.
350.
What do you call it?
Blade 350.
Blade 350, yeah.
Right. He's got one of those with the GPS, but doesn't have any camera or anything. So on a calm day, WJ, he'll love to come out here and fly. If you've ever heard anyone laughing in the background of our videos, that's WJ. And he has a great time in the hobby. So on a calm day, you're going to come out here and you're going to fly this and have a good time with it.
It's good. I like to listen to it, and it seems like it ought to do good on a calm day.
Yeah.
And if I get my nerve up.
Yeah. You'll do just fine. You'll do just fine.
Thank you.
Guys, we'll kind of leave this one on the fence a little bit. You know, it's not the greatest thing since sliced bread, but it's not the worst thing either. If you're interested and you like what you saw in the video, we'll have a link in the description box below. There are a lot of great things about this, and of course it has some limiting things as well. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!